Hey guys, let's head upstairs and we'll do a quick room tour. So heading up, we've got a first piece here. This one is a Pikachu custom slash one piece, 1:1 scale. Pretty cute piece. It does have a tail, but I can't display it because it'll just sit too far out. So really cool. Panning to the left is my collection. So that's where I've got everything kind of crammed together, as you can see, kind of out of space at the moment. So I've got some things boxed up. I've also sold a few pieces, but yeah, let's start to the bottom here. So we've got another custom Pikachu slash I guess a good luck cat. Usually sees at like the storefronts, waving its arm for like good fortune. And we've got Mickey Mouse. Moving up, we've got Prime One Studios Rotunda Rex, T-Rex with the two raptors. This one here is the OG, so a massive base. Here's the base. Right, spin it around, and around she goes. There we go, look at that, crazy details, mouth. And we've got the raptor latching on his back. And this guy here, he's passed out. He's had one too many to drink. And the base has got a lot of details, a lot of bones, bits and pieces, debris. The banner is actually magnetized, so there's actually no keyhole. You can actually just remove it. And the tail is magnetized with a well-hidden seam line. So let's find that seam line so I can show you how well it's hidden. There we go. Look at that. They did a great job hiding this, and it's got the strongest magnet that I've come across. Like it's strong. Moving to the right, we've got the XM Studios Hulkbuster. So everyone's quite familiar with this piece. It's for such an old piece, it's got an amazing paint job. And it's got a ton of light ups. Comes with a smaller side base for Iron Man himself. So if you don't want to display Iron Man bursting out of the chest, you can display it like that. And here's my dog Winston. He wants a bit of attention. He's got his ball. Moving to the bottom, we've got the Prime One Studios Gandalf versus Balrog. So this piece has been with me for a long time. So I ordered this day one, and it's that's the regular with the sword. With the whip, it's the exclusive version. So it's got the flickering flames on his back, and check out the portrait. It's awesome. And if we pan back, there we got Gandalf. Awesome. Moving up here, we've got the XM Studios quarter scale Maestro, however you want to pronounce it. So this is the version A without the canisters. I'll just quickly spin them around. I'm sure being quite a new piece, everyone's kind of seen a few videos. So that lights up, but I'm currently recording, so we'll just leave it off. An awesome piece, heavy piece, so I don't think I'll be selling this because, yeah, it's just too heavy and I can't be bothered packing this up, so I guess it's a keeper. Right, really cool. Another portrait, another hand swap out, epic piece. Moving up, we've got Prime One Studios Jungle Hunter Predator. So this is the third scale DXS, so the deluxe version with everything, the dog tag, the skull. Yeah, awesome piece. And then to my right, we've got Prime One Studios Big Chap dynamic with the wall. So this is another OG. They did a re-release without the wall, and they've kind of changed the base ever so slightly. Awesome piece. Comes with a swappable head as well with the bust. I'll show you that later. To my right, we've got the Prime 1 Studios half-scale Superman from Justice League. It's got a light-up base. Yeah, a very low edition size. I think an edition size of 150. And to the right, we've got the Dark Knight Christian Bale, another half-scale by Prime 1 Studios. Same, kind of similar base, museum base with lights. It has quite a few swap outs, so another head, two extra necks, so you can kind of change the direction that he's looking at. Different hands, another handgun. I've got the sticky gun displayed, and then there's also the backpack that you can have displayed as well, which I don't have displayed because it's yeah, it's kind of narrow at the back there. Again, to my right, we've got the Queen Studios half-scale Aquaman. So this one here has got the silicon portrait and the rooted hair. Really cool piece. The base has also got clear resin. And the lucky last half-scale we've got here is the Sideshow Legendary Scale Darth Maul. I'm quite fortunate that my sabers do light up and they do work, but I just can't display this due to lack of space. Because the Darth Mauls, they were prone to have faulty lightsabers where it didn't light up. So yeah, it's an old piece, but it's an amazing piece. Looks great. Right, so let's get the focus. Okay, cool. Let's move to the bottom. So we've got the XM Studios Nemesis Prime. I've got the portrait lit up, not the chest, because the chest is just extremely bright. I'll leave that off. You've got the black truck, and then you've got XM Studios Optimus Prime and B. And then we've got the Grimlock and Optimus Prime from the Bayformers movie. This is the OG large version. They did a re-release of this in a small scale without Optimus. Optimus is actually really cool because he's got crazy details like the larger version that they do sell. So insanely tons of detail. Swappable torso and another sword, so Optimus can actually ride Grimlock on his back, but I've got it displayed separately. It also comes with a torch, the Autobot symbol, and then it kind of lights up. You can place it wherever you want it to shine, so you can put it like, hitting his head or his belly. The base lights up, and also the eyes and the mouth. Right, really cool. Okay, so moving up, we've got the Infinity Studios 1/1 life-size bust. So we've got Ben Affleck. Really cool. I saw this and I bought this back. So glass size, hand punched stubble, and then shaved off, and massive piece, huge piece. We've got the Robert Pattinson, the Batman, again from Infinity Studios. Another awesome piece, glass size, and yeah, it looks great. And Infinity Studios 1/1 Christian Bale, the Dark Knight. So this one's one of my latest pieces that I've got in. Straight out of the box. I've yet to comb his hair. You can apparently comb it with a bit of warm water. But yeah, I've just left it as is. The base does light up, but funny enough, I haven't even tested to see if it even works. I've just left it like that. I should test it to see whether it works, but I'm sure it would. Then we've got the Infinity Studios 1/1 life-size Heath Ledger Joker. Awesome piece. This one I missed out, and I was fortunate to buy this off of a fellow collector here in Australia. And the base does light up as well, but yeah, I forgot to turn it on. He's holding his mask in the back, which is really cool. He's got his gun, his knife as well there. Badass piece. Rooted hair, glass eyes. Look at that. Awesome. Then we've got the Prime 1 Studios 1/3 scale Master Race Batman. Let's get to focus. I've lost. Oh, there we go. So this is the OG blue version. They did have the black version as well. Then I've got the Legendary Scale Beast. Legendary Beast Magneto 1/3 scale. So this is the deluxe version. But yeah, lack of space. I've just got the orders sitting there, and the rest is underneath the table. Awesome piece. But yeah, looks awesome. Moving up, we've got the just the extra Predator portrait there. XM Spider-Man, Sideshow Spider-Man. Give you a better look. Really, really awesome Spider-Man. I mean, the base, it's kind of grown on me, but the sculpt of Spider-Man is it's perfect. It looks great. That's the swappable portrait for the alien big chap wall. Side shows Thanos on Throne, the exclusive. Awesome piece. I didn't switch on his gauntlet. Forgot about that. But there's the lightsabers for the Darth Maul. We've got this custom. What studio was this? I can't recall, but it's custom. And we've got a ECC mosquito in amber. Kind of boring, but you get what you get. And then just a Pokeball that lights up. Moving down, we've got the LBS Thor, 1/3 scale Thor. Awesome base. Yeah, I've just thrown him in this corner because, yeah, that's the only space I've got. X23 from Sideshow. Another sweet piece. Personally, I like this way more than the new one that they've teased. And I love the Sentinel base. To the left, we've got XM Studios Magneto on Throne. Yes, I know I shouldn't be displaying the helmet because he's wearing one, but I've just chucked it there, and I ordered the Venom parts for him as well. Don't know why, because I don't really want it anymore, but I already ordered it, so it is what it is. Side shows Dr. Doom Throne. Yeah, I was kind of shocked actually that this piece was actually one whole piece. You get him straight out of the box like this, sitting on the throne, so it feels really solid, quite heavy as well for the size. But it's an amazing piece. It's got a ton of details on the side and behind the chair. We've got Jean Grey, Sideshow, and then coming down, we've just got 2 animations, one piece. Luffy with, I believe that's Anne. That's not Nami because Nami's got orange hair. That's Anne with the blue hair. I think it's from the movie. Quote me if I'm wrong. Quarter scale. To my left here, we've got Soul Wings Trunks versus Frieza. This is the regular version. The deluxe comes with a swappable head. A really cool piece. Prime 1 Studios Vegeta. And then we've got Tsume Broly versus Goku. But yeah, guys, that's my collection. I am planning on moving my collection into the garage once I get everything cleared, like all the boxes moved out, and have insulation put in by some professionals. And then yeah, I'll have a new setup. It's just right now, a bit busy with my son. He's in the next door watching telly, and once I get it all set up in the new area, I'll do another update. But for now, this is how my collection looks. It's forever changing. I'm always, I don't know, changing my mind to what to collect. So I'm kind of like collecting a bit of everything now. But I'll just quickly pan around just to show you from afar what everything, or how everything looks. Yeah, I'm always moving things around, trying to create more space. But yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Reach out if you've got any questions. I'm always happy to help. And yeah, stay godlike. Bye.